loves, it's Izzy here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm in a little different setting, if you can't tell. I'm in a hotel room. Let's see if you guys can guess where I am. I'll give you 3 seconds. Just kidding, I'll give you like a minute. You can just pause the video. So pause. Okay, you guys are now back. I'm in California, visiting my sister. She's at college, she's a freshman, and today I thought I would do like a more simple video because I am in a hotel room and there's not much I can do while I'm in California. So I decided I'll do a get to know me tag for you guys to get to know me a little bit better and know more facts about me. Please don't forget to subscribe by hitting that big red subscribe button down below. So let's get right into the video. The first question is,
how old are you and what grade are you in?
I am 13 years old and I'm in 8th grade.
And who's your idol?
My idols are Millie Bobby Brown, 11, and James Charles, because Millie Bobby Brown, she's 14 years old, and she does all this acting, I'm almost 14, I haven't done, any of that. James Charles, in 3 short years, he's done, so much with his life, and built, this whole makeup empire, and now I'm really inspired by him to start doing makeup on my own.
And what state are you from?
I'm from New Jersey.
Who are your favorite YouTubers?
My favorite YouTubers are the Dolan Twins because they're very, very good looking, and when I'm sad or down, I just love watching their videos just to make me happy. And then James Charles, of course, because he's my idol and he's an amazing makeup artist. And Emma because, of course, I love Emma. The Sister Squad for life.
Who lives in your house?
The people who live in my house are my mom and my dad, of course. Then my grandma. She's very crazy. I'll definitely feature her in some future videos because, she's, nuts in the head. And then my dog, Ariel, and I have 2 sisters, but they're all off of college. So I have Vicky, who's 21, who's a senior, and I have Jessie, who's 18, who's a freshman.
What are your favorite TV shows?
My favorite TV shows are, of course, Stranger Things. Stranger Things is amazing. If you saw my last video, I'll link it down below. Please go watch it. My first video, and I tried very hard on it. And you saw all the Stranger Things in the background. I love Stranger Things more than anything. And Riverdale. Riverdale comes out 3 days before my birthday, October 10th. Make sure you guys go watch. Riverdale, please sponsor me. Just kidding. I'll never get sponsorships. Hopefully, maybe one day. And I love Shadowhunters and Switch and Verb and Fosters. Oh my god, Noah Centineo. So hot. And what's the next question?
When did you start cooking?
I started cooking when I was 4 years old. So it's my passion basically. I can cook basically almost everything. Cooking makes me so happy and I love trying out new recipes. If you guys want me to make cooking videos, please comment down below. I would love to use any of your suggestions.
What's the favorite place you've traveled to, and where do you want to travel to in the future?
I love California. I've been here 4 times. This is my 4th time going. And I love Georgia because everyone's so nice there. And the food is amazing. And I really want to go to Italy and London. Hope you guys enjoyed the video because Tim did. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that big red subscribe down below if you want to become a member of the Izzy family. I don't really know what to call my subscribers. We'll figure that out at some point. Like this video by giving it a big thumbs up and comment down below 3 facts about you if I can learn a bit more about my subscribers. And I'll definitely be replying to every comment. Bye, my loves.